They expected sparks to fly and surprises to pop up. Instead, what they heard was a loud thud when newly ordained DPWH Chief Vince Dizon showed up with nothing in hand on the first day of House budget hearing for the embattled agency, which Carmela Las Moras covered in this report.
Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon assured that they will thoroughly clean up their 2026 budget proposal. Just recently, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself ordered for a sweeping review of the DPWH proposed budget following various issues being linked to it.
As much as possible, yung mga pinoint out na red flags ng ating Kongreso ay buburahin natin. Walang doble, walang completed na mayroon pa ring budget. Yun, unacceptable yun.
Today, Secretary Dizon appeared before the budget briefing of the House Committee on Appropriations. However, he did not yet present their budget proposal as its contents are still being revised and finalized. So during the interpellation, several lawmakers instead laid out their concerns and suggestions for the department. On the flood control projects, House Minority Leader Marcelino Libanan insisted that most flood-prone areas should not be left behind.
Ito po, yung ating top 20 flood control provinces na talagang binabaha. Pero sa pinaglalaanan po natin ng pondo ng DPWH, kayo po ang nag-identify dito. 12 sa mga probinsya, wala po dito sa top 20 provinces. Kailangan itong pag-aralan dahil mananalo lang po tayo dito pang maganda ang ating planning.
Agree po ako sa lahat ng sinabi ninyo. Kung meron man pong flood control projects, dapat po ang uunahin dito yung mga pinaka-nangangailangan ng flood control project. Yan po ay tingin ko ay common sense.
Secretary Dizon said that out of the over 880 billion pesos of the proposed budget of the DPWH for 2026, more than 30% or 268.3 billion pesos is allocated for flood control projects. But the question is, as of now, does the Philippines already have a nationwide flood control master plan? The secretary said there is none yet for the entire country, but one is currently being developed for Metro Manila.
Ito po ay funded ng Asian Development Bank at ng JICA jointly. Yan po ay nagsimula na ngayong taon at matatapos po sa susunod na taon. At sana po, pag ito'y natapos, pwede po itong i-replicate sa ibang mga lugar sa buong bansa na prone sa pagbaha.
Currently, several companies have already been blacklisted due to their alleged involvement in anomalies related to flood control projects. However, the DPWH clarified that those involved must still complete their contractual obligations.
Yung binacklist na po natin, yung Wawaw at saka yung SIMS, no? Kahapon lang po yun. Pinapahold ko po lahat ng payments to those contractors. Pero, kailangan din po nating tapusin. Siyempre, kung meron silang ongoing. So, pag-uusapan po namin ng ating operations group kung paano po ang magiging sistema, kung ano po ang gagawin natin para matuloy.
After 5 hours, the Appropriations Committee decided to defer the DPWH budget briefing for now. The committee gave the department 1 week or until September 12 to submit their revised budget proposal. Carmela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.